Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Samsung Galaxy M12. So first things first, it is completely normal for your phone to overheat while charging, especially while you're using the fast charging, but we can minimize that first by closing all the background apps on your phone. Next, make sure that you're using original cable and a charger. Avoid using your phone while charging, especially gaming, so just leave it on the nightstand and let it charge. Remove the case of your phone. As you can see, I don't have any, but if you do, then remove it for the charging and charge in a cool and ventilated area. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.